Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see Looker demo. So Looker Data Explorer Quick Start. So I have given the Quick Lab link here friends. So you can click that link and we can start the lab now. So I'm going to open the link now. This is the link. So here we can log into the Gmail ID and you can click the start lab. So this is free only friends. You can log in. So no need GCP free tier account. So directly you can click this link and you can open this quick lab and you can log into the sign into that Gmail and then you can start the lab. It is free only. Okay, so in this demo what we are going to learn means we are going to see how to visualize data in Looker by using the explorers. First, use the Explorer interface to access data published by LookML developers and work with dimension and measures to query and select data. Then third, select the appropriate visualization type to best display our data. And finally, we are going to save and explore query to a dashboard. Okay, so here what they have given the description about the Looker. You can read these things and here also description. Okay, in this demo we are going to learn how to use Looker to visualize data using explorers, which are data views created by Looker developers. For this demo, an explorer of the Federal Aviation Administration or FAA airport data has been created for us. This dataset contains information on different attributes of airports such as city, date of commission and facility type, etc. Okay, fine. Now we are going to start the lab now. So now I am going to click this open Looker. Just click open Looker. Now just copy the username and password. So just copy the username, password from here. So it will vary with each and every individual. So I have pasted the username and password, and next I am clicking this stay logged in. So just click login. So now Looker page it will be open now. After a successful login, we will see the Looker instance for this tab. Okay, it is loading now. Let's see now. Let's wait for it. So it's free only friends. You can also try from your end without a GCP account. Okay, so it has been opened now. So next step, the Looker measures are an aggregation of one or more dimensions are unique attributes of the data. Measures let you calculate our key performance indicators and help us analyze our data using different attributes. In the Airport Explorer, we will determine the average elevation across all airport facilities and show that number as a single value visualization. In the Looker navigation menu, click Explore. Okay, here we need to click this Explore, and here we need to go to that FAA. Just click this arrow mark down that and click. Yes, next under the here click v airports. Okay, so we need to click airports. Just click airports. Just it is loading. The available dimension and measures will be listed in the data panel for airport. Under the airport we need to click measures. Sorry, we need to go to the measures and click average elevation. Okay, fine. Under the airport, so under the airport we have measures and after that average elevation. So we need to click this average elevation. So average elevation came here now. So next one is click run. Okay, I am doing step by step. So click run. Next is click run only. Okay, fourth step, just click run. Okay, so it is running now, loading data. So next is click the arrow next to visualization to expand the window. Once the visualization window is expanded, we can cover our cursor over these icons to identify the available options. So now what I'm going to do means I'm going to click this visualization here, and next sixth step, click the single value icon. So next is click the single value icon. This option creates a single value visualization that we can customize. We can also make the chart larger by collapsing the data window. Okay, so we need to click the single value icon. So here only it will be. So just select one by one. Yeah, here you can see this number 6 single value. Just click it here, and next is click on the settings gear icon for visualization. Okay, here we have that settings options here. Just select it here, and next is click edit style. Okay, so click edit style. So here all we need to click this style only. And next, under style, click value color, select your choice of color. Okay, fine. So value color, I'm going to select my value of the color. Just I'm clicking red. Okay, I have clicked the red. Under that style, click show title and provide a title override box. So we need to give the title here. Okay, I'm giving Looker demo. So maybe it will come here. Yeah, see here, Looker demo, it is coming. Fine. So Looker demo I have given. Next is click the gear icon visualization to close the settings. Okay, fine. So just click this. Okay, then click on the settings gear and the next to run and save to dashboard. Fine. So here what we need to do, just select it here, settings, and click it save to dashboard. Okay, so I'm doing one by one. Enter the title for visualization. Just I'm clicking as average elevation. I'm giving the title as average elevation here. Just replace the title. So next is click new dashboard. Okay, here we have new dashboard. Just click new dashboard and enter the new dashboard name. Enter the title for the new dashboard. I am giving the name as per the documentation, airport flights. So just click enter this and click OK. So it is coming like this. And next is click OK. Click save to dashboard. Okay, fine. Click save to dashboard. So it is coming like this 1143. Okay, yes, we got this, right? Fine. So Looker demo, we have done the lab. I mean, sorry, we have done the first part only. So check my progress whether I have done it correctly or not. So I am checking myself. Yes, we have done correctly. So next what we are going to do means we are going to visualize dimensions and measures. So dimensions are unique attributes of the data that helps you describe the data. For example, in the airport, explore the location of the airport, city, elevation levels, etc. or different dimensions. We can use both dimension and measures in Looker to slice and dice your data to achieve data insights. Next, identify the top 5 facility types with the highest average elevation and display the results as a bar chart. We will show the total number of airport facilities by facility type in the same chart. Okay. So in the Looker navigation menu, click explore. So what I'm going to do now means just I'm going to click here Looker, and again we are going to do this Looker navigation menu. Just click explore. Just click explore, and again the same type only. Under FFA, click airports. Okay, fine. So go to that FFA and click airports. Now some small changes we have. So under airports measures. Okay, before that we need to do this third step. Under airports dimensions, click facility type. So we need to click the facility type first. So dimensions, right? This is the dimension. Okay, here we need to select this facility type, and airports facility type came. Next, this is the fourth step. Airports measures, click average elevation. So airports average elevation, here measures average elevation. Just click select this one, average elevation, it came now. Okay, fine. So we have done this step, and click count. Yeah, measures, click count. Then again we have this option, click count. So count also came, airports count came. And next is on the data lab, change row limit to 5. So here we need to change the limit to 5. Okay, so next click run. So we need to click run. Just click run, loading the data now. Then click the arrow next to visualization to expand the view. Once the visualization window is expanded, we can hover your cursor over the icons to identify the available options. Okay, fine. So now you can see, friends, airport facility type came now. Glider port, Stirl port, airport, balance port, heliport. Okay, likewise it came. Airport count we can see here, 37, 86, 13,000, 12, 5,000, something like that. Average elevation also it's coming. Okay, fine. So next what I need to do means just click this visualization, expand this visualization, and next is, okay, we have done the visualization part. Expand the view, click the bar icon. This option creates horizontal bar visualization that we can customize. We can also make the chart larger by collapsing the data window. Okay, fine. So we can check this, select the table bar chart. So whatever you can select, friends, column you can select, bar chart, and scatter pilot, and likewise you can select visualization area. So you can select like as your choice. So we are selecting, now I am selecting bar as per the documentation. Then what I need to do, click on the settings gear icon for visualization. Okay, click on the settings gear. So just click it here. So now next step is click values. So we need to click values. So just click values, and next is under values click value labels. So we need to, sorry, we need to click it value labels. Just select this value labels and you can see the changes. Okay, then click y axis. So click y axis, and next we need to, under the y, click on the airports and drag it under top axis. Average elevation will remain under the bottom axis. So here next we need to, under this y we have this airport, right? So we need to drag this to tap axis. Just drag this, just select and drag, that's it. So now you can see the changes, it has been changed now. Fine. So next average elevation will remain under the bottom axis. So you can see average elevation, it is present now. Okay, fine. Next step, under the configure axis top one, enter the axis name as count. Okay, fine. So under the configure axis, so just scroll down configure axis, just select the top one and just scroll down, and here we need to type, count. Okay, just copy paste count, and next click on the gear icon for visualization to close the settings. No need to save anything here, and just go to here and just I'm going to click this one, that's it. So next step, click on the settings icon, click to next and select save to dashboard. Fine. So just click it here, save to dashboard. We need to click it settings, friends. No, don't click run. So click settings and click save to dashboard. So it is asking like this. Previously we have done like that only. So now we need to enter the title. So I am going to enter the title as this, average elevation by facility type. So here I am going to replace with this, and next is select the dashboard you previously created, airports flights. So here we need to select this one, and next one is click save to dashboard. Fine. So next save to dashboard, next click save to dashboard, and you can visualize this here, and you can see the changes, friends. Now yes, we have done with the lab. So we have visualized the dimension and measures now. So like this it is coming or not, let's see it here. Yeah, it's coming like this only. Okay, great. So I'm going to check my progress whether it has been correct or not. Let's wait for it. Yes, assessment completed, friends. So we have successfully seen how to use the Looker to visualize their data by using the explorers, which are data views created by Looker developers. So you can also try it, friends. So it's free only. It is free only. So I'm going to end this lab now. Okay, fine. So I have given the link here. You can paste that. Okay, you can copy and you can open a new browser and you can do it. So I'm going to edit the name only. Thanks a lot, friends. Have a great day. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my YouTube channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud platform. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.